I want you to picture something everyone understands. A car. Not a race car, not a junker, just a normal, well-built vehicle designed to run for hundreds of thousands of miles if it's maintained properly. Now here's the key idea for today. Your body works the same way. Not metaphorically, biologically. The design comes first, not the repair shop. Every car is engineered with a design intent. It has the right fuel, the right oil, the right operating temperature, and the right maintenance schedule. If you follow that design, the car doesn't need constant repairs. Your body is no different. Human physiology evolved with specific inputs in mind. Real food, adequate protein and fat, movement, rest, sunlight, recovery. When those inputs are present, the body self-regulates. It doesn't need constant fixing. Modern medicine, like a repair shop, becomes necessary when maintenance is ignored for too long. Now, fuel quality determines engine health. You would never put sugar water, sludge, or contaminated fuel into your gas tank and expect good performance. Yet that's exactly what we do metabolically. Ultra-processed food is low-grade fuel. It burns dirty. It leaves residue. It damages internal systems. Good fuel, on the other hand, burns cleanly, produces less waste, and protects moving parts. In the body, that translates to better insulin sensitivity, lower inflammation, more stable energy, less oxidative stress. Fuel quality matters more than fuel quantity. Now let's talk about the oil. It's the same as fat metabolism and cellular lubrication. Engines don't fail because they have oil. They fail because oil is degraded. Oil is contaminated. Oil isn't changed, or the wrong oil is used. In the body, fats play a similar role. Cellular membranes, hormone protection, brain function, inflammation regulation. When metabolic oil is poor, oxidized fats, excess sugar damage, and chronic inflammation, friction increases. And friction is what wears systems down. Not age, not genetics, friction. Now let's talk overheating. Overheating is inflammation. An engine that constantly overheats doesn't last. In humans, chronic inflammation is overheating. Inflammation isn't bad. It's a normal response, but constant inflammation is a warning light that never shuts off. Common causes: insulin resistance, poor sleep, chronic stress, nutrient deficiencies, toxic exposures, constant eating with no recovery time. An engine running hot breaks seals, warps parts, and shortens lifespan. So does a body. Now, the dashboard light. It exists for a reason. In a car, the check engine light, the oil pressure light, the temperature gauge, right? You don't smash the dashboard to fix the problem, and you also don't put a piece of black electrical tape over it, although I know some people who do that. In humans, symptoms are the dashboard lights: fatigue, joint pain, weight gain, brain fog, reflux, blood sugar swings, abnormal labs. Symptoms are not the enemy. They are information. Silencing symptoms without correcting the cause is like taping over the warning light and flooring the accelerator. All right, maintenance beats emergency repairs. A well-maintained car needs fewer repairs. It lasts longer, it performs better, and it costs less over time. A well-maintained body requires fewer medications, or none, heals faster, adapts better, and ages slower. This is why lifestyle medicine works before disease is advanced. You don't wait until the engine seizes to change the oil. All right, mileage matters too, less than maintenance. Two cars, same model, same year, same mileage. One is destroyed at 120,000 miles. The other runs past 300,000 miles. Why? Maintenance history. Your body is the same. Age doesn't determine breakdown. Accumulated damage does. And damage is influenced by fuel, recovery, movement, sleep, consistency. The body is self-repairing if you stop sabotaging it. Cars don't self-repair now. Humans do, and that's the miracle. But repair requires proper building materials, reduced damage signals, and adequate rest. If damage exceeds repair capacity, disease appears. Health isn't about adding more interventions, it's about removing the obstacles to healing. I'm going to repeat that one. Health is not about adding more things on. It's about removing the obstacles to let your body heal. Here's the takeaway. Your body is not fragile. It is engineered. But no medicine, no matter how well designed, survives abuse. If you improve fuel quality, reduce friction and inflammation, respect recovery, and respond to warning signs, your body does what it was always meant to do. Run clean, run strong, and run long. If you found this helpful and kind of a cool little analogy and comparison, click the thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. I put out a video every day, and clicking that bell icon will give you a reminder when I put that out. And if you leave me a question or a suggestion, I will write you back or I'll make a video about it. Share this video also with somebody you think can benefit from the analogy. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.